I want to say a few things about blending modes. Not too deep, but just a few small quick tips. Here I have a JPEG on top of some footage. And here under opacity, where I can change the opacity, I have blend mode, where I can change the blend mode. The blend modes are divided into different sections. These are your normal and dissolve. These are the darken ones, darken, multiply, color burn, linear burn, darker color. The lightens are in the next area. The contrast are in the next area. The next to last are the comparative, and the bottom are color related. In the darken section, mainly it's ways to get rid of the white in your picture in different ways. If we select darken, it gets rid of all the white, leaves the black hello, and the white hello over here, it makes it transparent. Multiply does a very similar job. Color burn does the same thing, but leaves a little clarity for some of the colors to come through. And then lighten does pretty much the opposite. It gets rid of all the black, makes this black, it still looks black, but it's clear. Screen does something pretty similar. Color dodge does what color burn did. Overlays are somewhere in the middle. Let's try something else. Here, if you press darken, it gets rid of all the white, but you can barely see the M. Multiply, you can see it a little bit better. That's kind of a cool effect, but in this case, I'm not sure how you would use it. You can really find some cool effects sometimes. Blend modes for me have always been sort of trial and error, but when I'm looking for something specific, I'll scroll through a lot to see what gives me the best effect that I'm looking for. If you're used to Photoshop, you know a little bit about these. Sometimes I'll find some really cool effects by using a blend mode on a photo on top of some video, but what I mainly use it for is to key out a black or a white from a graphic.